I'm Jason Casados, owner and founder of VaporSource Incorporated, established in 2009. We wanted to give you an exclusive tour of our operation located right here in Pueblo, Colorado. This is where the magic happens. Welcome to VaporSource Laboratories. This is our hub for 8 stores in Southern Colorado. This is where we house and distribute over 2,000 different products every week to each one of our locations. These air scrubbers on the ceiling ensure that the ambient air outside of our manufacturing box is clean and free of dust and debris. The Box is a hard-walled certified ISO 7 clean room equipped with 2 Whisper Flow HEPA filters that force 82 air exchanges an hour. Let's talk ingredients. VaporSource e-liquid is composed of 3 main ingredients: vegetable glycerin, USP platinum grade nicotine, and food grade flavor. We keep our nicotine refrigerated because nicotine is a volatile product that needs to be handled with extreme attention and care. These are all the flavors that we use in our 73 e-liquids. Each one of these flavors are food-grade flavors commonly found in baked goods and flavored beverages. Many of these flavors are propylene glycol-based, or PG. PG is a preservative, found in drink mixes, bread, salad dressings, and soda. We use a strategic and methodical recipe for each one of our products to ensure consistency and safety. You could say we have become masters of mixing. If you ever wonder what's going into your e-liquid, the ingredients should be listed right on the side. These are our labels, also manufactured right here in VaporSource Labs. FDA requires us to have these big warnings on each bottle. If you don't see one of these gigantic warnings on your bottle of e-liquid from any company, I wouldn't use it. We're also proud of our serial number technique. Yes, there are a lot of companies that serialize their bottles, but not like we do. Of course, we have the typical standardized batch serial number, but our bottles are uniquely traceable by ID number. If this bottle gets into the hands of your teenager, call us or stop into one of our stores and we can tell you exactly who purchased it for them. That's responsible business.